Come test drive the 2019 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.